Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Symone. If you didn't already know, now you know. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. So if you want to find out my true thoughts and opinions on this powder, then keep on watching. Make sure that you thumbs up this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on those post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. All right, guys, so we are ready for the main attraction. So I'm going to be trying out the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. Y'all, I'm very excited about this because I've heard nothing but amazing and great things about this powder. And your girl loves a great setting powder. Like the Laura Mercier Honey powder is my favorite setting powder, but if this replaces that, then honey, y'all gonna have to go get it. So this is the packaging. It's very nice. It's the standard Huda Beauty logo, and then on the back of it, it says Blondie. It shows you how to apply it on your face. So it does have a little demo, which I think is super cute. And then we're just gonna open her up. So it is a twist off cap, and then it does have a little black top to conceal the powder so it doesn't go everywhere. There we go. And it does have that little soft patch so that it can prevent all the powder from being up, which I personally do like, because I don't like my powder just being all loose, because when I open it, it can just go everywhere. So I don't mind that at all. It does have a scent. It smells like perfume, like my grandma's perfume, an elderly person's, that white diamond. It's not really smelling like good at all. And the weird thing about it, though, I could have sworn on here it said that there was not a fragrance. When I was at the store, I believe on the little display it said like fragrance free, but I know that's not true because Huda love her some scents. So anyways, I am just going to make sure that my under eye is blended all the way out, because you never want to set with creases. All right, and I'm just going to dip my sponge. Okay. So it's very yellow, y'all. Very yellow. Oh my gosh, y'all, it looks so good on camera. Okay, we gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Keep going. I'm like too geeked about this. Oh my gosh, it looks so good underneath the eye, y'all. And I don't usually bake, but I'm going to bake for you guys. So after I've pressed it in, I'm just going to apply this. What I will say, I can feel it under my eye, but it's not a weighed down feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but I know that it's there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and let this set for a little bit, and then I will be back to brush it off. All right, guys, so I let it set for a little bit. Now I'm gonna dust it off. I know right now I look dusty, y'all, but I look dusty. I probably look, you know, cracked out, a little dry. But y'all, the way that it set my face, like, oh my gosh, it looks so freaking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished product. Hey you guys, so I have finished my makeup, and look at your girl's face. Like, it is gorgeous. It's absolutely breathtaking. This Huda Beauty powder, y'all have to go get it. Like, stop whatever you're doing and go get this powder, because this right here, it's got your girl looking like a glamour girl. Like, I should be on somebody's billboard. Like, wait, give it to me. Yes. Okay, like, your girl looks good. I have never seen my face look as bomb as it is looking right now. Not even the Laura Mercier Honey Translucent, and that is my go-to translucent powder, has ever had me looking like this. I look airbrushed, like I have a filter on my face. Okay, this is absolutely phenomenal. Y'all have to go pick it up. It's between, I think it's like $30 to $35. It's somewhere in between there. This powder is amazing. It's in the shade Blondie. You guys have to go get it, because, I mean, like, I love my Laura Mercier translucent powder and honey, and I will still continue to use that, but this is gonna be my new go-to. Like, I am really feeling this. I'm really feeling her. Like, if you feeling this beat, give this video a thumbs up, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. Turn your post notifications on. And also, click that link down below in the description box to see my review on this headband wig that was sent to me by VVI Hair. By the time you guys see this video, that video will already be posted. But you guys, thank you so much for rocking with your girl. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.